How to fix Facebook Live not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Live problems, whether it's not starting, freezing, or showing black screen. Let's get right into it. So the first step is to always check your internet connection. Make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi or 4G or 5G connection. Then you can run a quick speed test. So you'll need at least 5 Mbps to upload for a smooth live stream. Let's just check for our internet speed here. I have this app called fast.com. You can go to fast.com website and check for your internet speed. And as you can see here, our internet speed is well over 5 Mbps, so we'll be good to go and we are going to be able to live stream with a good connection. The next step is to update the Facebook app. Go over to Play Store and check for updates on Facebook. Tap on the search bar at the top and search for Facebook. And if you see any update available here, you can find this update button here instead of open. Just make sure to update the app to its latest version. The next step is to clear cache and data. You can do that by long pressing on your Facebook application and going over to the I button at the top right to go to app info. Then from here you need to scroll down and you need to find storage. From the storage section, you can tap on clear cache, and you can also clear app data if necessary. But this will delete your accounts from there and you are going to have to log back in again. That's something you need to take care of. Then you need to check app permissions. Go ahead and go to permissions over here. And then you need to make sure that your camera, microphone, and storage permissions are allowed. As you can see, I've allowed all of these permissions here. Otherwise, you will not be able to go live. Then if none of that work, then you need to uninstall Facebook and reinstall it. Alternatively, you can also try Facebook Lite or open facebook.com and continue on with the browser. That's it. If you follow these steps, it will fix your problem with live on Facebook. And if your issue continues, you can check Facebook's Help Center for region-specific outages or updates. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.